Hi, it's Jason at Jordan Bikes. They've got for you Honda CRF1000L or Africa Twin, as you'll probably know it as. This one is fantastic, lovely low mileage, and it's got tons and tons of extras on it. It's a 2017 on a 67 plate, and it has only done 3,271 miles. It's got the LED headlight and it's got the LED spot lamps on there as well, the daytime running lights on the indicators, and it's got the engine bars. It's got the 3-box Honda luggage. It's got the Honda heated grips on there as well. Everything you could ever want with a big saving over new. So centre stand on it as well, and it's also got on the side stand like a foot plate for sort of soft ground. You can see there, 2017 on a 67. Chunky knobbly tyres, and it's absolutely spotless. Got a headlight guard. Had an absolute fortune spent on it, so you can save a fortune over new. You can see the digital display on there, so you get ABS on this model as well, and you also get traction control. And I said on there, I just love here the Honda heated grips, hand guards, literally ready to go. Lovely metallic sort of matte black. It's beautiful, really is a nice bike. I'll give it a start for you. As belted as that parallel twin engine 1000cc. So come on down to Jordan Bikes, take a look and listen for yourself, or give us a call.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.